Hello everybody, so today I will talk about algebra. The topic today is about find the solutions of x. So now I will show you how to answer. About 256, we have number 2 to the power of 8. This one we change by 2 to the power of 3. This one we change by 2 to the power of 8. Now, we have number 8 multiplied by this one. So, we have number 8 going here. This one we have number 3 multiplied by 3x plus 1. And number 8 multiplied by number 5. Now, we need to simplify everything in here. So 8 multiplied by 2, we have number 4. 4 with number 3, we have 12. This one we can combine together. Eight multiplied by number 5, we have 40. Now, we have the same base that is about number 2 and number 2. So we just have this one is greater than this one. So we need to expand this one. Now we need to simplify this one. So we need to put number 12 multiplied by x squared negative 4x and number 4. Number 3 multiplied by 3x plus 1. This one we have 40 multiplied by x squared and negative 16. Number 9 multiplied by x to the power of 4 x squared and 81. Now, we can put this one go to the right and we simplify for this one in here. So we have this one, and this one. So we got negative 134 x squared. The next one, 9x with positive 48. We got 57x. And the last one, we have 48, 729, number 3, negative 640. So we have 44. So if we use about computer to calculate about this one, you will got like this. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.